Hello, dear students. Welcome to task 2. Don't forget to write your name, surname, and school. Read the objectives of this activity booklet. Do you remember the meaning of these pronouns? Match the words. If you can't, use an online dictionary. Match the words in English with the words in Spanish. Then write the pronouns in the dictionary and listen and repeat to practice the correct pronunciation of the pronouns. How do you identify verbs in a sentence? Read the transcript and complete the verbs with the missing letters. It was 9 o'clock in the morning. Everybody in the town was doing their own work, but suddenly a car crashed into a tree. Everybody shared this news with other people. They said, "When the accident happened, I was doing my homework. I was playing my guitar. We were having a great party. I was looking around. I was repairing my car. I was waiting for my friend and reading the newspaper. I was working in my office. I was mending the roof. We were learning English. I was playing my flute. I was making a phone call." Now complete this verse with the missing letters. B2. Then write the meaning of the verbs in Spanish. Number 1 is was. So what's the meaning of was? Now write the verbs in the dictionary and listen and repeat. Write them and practice pronunciation. How do you identify nouns in a sentence? Complete the pictures with the words from the chart. Car, work, homework, office, party, English, flute, tree, phone call, roof, people, guitar, news, friend, town, newspaper. Now complete these pictures with the nouns. Now write the nouns in the dictionary and listen and repeat to practice the pronunciation of the nouns. Did you learn to identify pronouns, nouns, and verbs in a sentence? Fill in the chart with the words below. It's the chart in which you must fill in the words below. The words. You must find 5 pronouns, 16 nouns, and 15 verbs. Good luck! See you on task 3.